In October 2025, NASA sent shockwaves across the internet with an announcement that made millions of people stop and wonder, does Earth really have two moons now? The discovery of a mysterious object, officially named 2025 PN7, quickly went viral. Headlines exploded, social media went crazy, and people started calling it Earth's second moon. But behind the excitement lies a complex truth, and a few big problems with NASA's so-called two-moon theory, because 2025 PN7 might not be a moon at all. Let's start from the beginning. When astronomers first detected 2025 PN7, they noticed something unusual. It seemed to move around Earth, almost like a second satellite orbiting alongside our main moon. But after closer observation, scientists realized this object isn't locked to Earth's gravity the way a real moon is. Instead, it follows its own orbit around the sun, not the Earth. And sometimes, Earth's gravity just pulls it close enough that it looks like it's orbiting us. That's why NASA's scientists call it a quasi-satellite. It's not a permanent part of Earth's system. It's more like a cosmic hitchhiker, tagging along for a short ride through space. Now here's the first major problem. Stability. A real moon stays in a predictable orbit for billions of years. Our own moon has circled Earth since the dawn of time. But 2025 PN7, it's unstable. Computer simulations show it'll probably drift away within a few decades. That means it's not here to stay, just a temporary visitor in Earth's neighborhood. If you imagine our moon as a gigantic glowing world in the night sky, 2025 PN7 is more like a cosmic pebble. It's estimated to be only a few dozen meters across, smaller than a football field. That's microscopic compared to our moon, which is over 3,400 kilometers wide. So, despite what headlines say, this second moon is invisible to the naked eye. It doesn't affect tides, it doesn't glow in our sky, and it has no gravitational pull worth noticing. Then comes the media confusion. NASA never officially claimed Earth has two moons. The term two moons came from journalists and social media influencers trying to simplify the story, or make it sound more dramatic. In reality, scientists were cautious. They simply confirmed that 2025 PN7 is a near-Earth object, temporarily trapped in a complex gravitational relationship with our planet. But once the words, Earth's second moon started trending, the real science got buried under the hype. Another challenge is how such objects get captured in the first place. Earth's gravity can occasionally snare small asteroids passing close by, creating what astronomers call temporary satellites, but these captures are rare, unpredictable, and short-lived. They show how chaotic and dynamic the solar system really is. The gravitational balance between Earth, the Moon, and the Sun is incredibly delicate, and even a tiny change can send an object like 2025 PN7 drifting away again. And then there's the theory problem itself. Calling it a two-moon theory makes it sound like a permanent discovery or a new model of how Earth works, but scientifically, it's not a theory at all. It's an observation. No one's rewriting astronomy textbooks yet. It's simply a fascinating case study of how small asteroids interact with our planet. So, what's really happening here? Earth doesn't suddenly have two moons. Instead, it has a small temporary companion, a rock that's been caught in a brief cosmic waltz before it eventually drifts away into the darkness of space. Still, the discovery of 2025 PN7 opens up a bigger question. How many other objects are out there, quietly following us, unseen, hidden among the stars? Could there be more quasi-moons waiting to be found? And what can they teach us about the way our planet moves through the solar system? The real story isn't about having two moons. It's about discovering just how mysterious and alive our corner of space truly is. This is The Wildlife Science, exploring the strange, the fascinating, and the misunderstood wonders of our universe.